A developer is tasked with building an application that formats sensitive data from an external source into a PDF document exceeding 1 megabyte in size. The application must encrypt this document to disk using a customer-managed key from AWS KMS and provide a mechanism to decrypt it. The developer intends to use the GenerateDataKey API. The options are: Option A, save the encrypted data key to disk and use the plaintext key for local symmetric encryption. Option B, save the plaintext data key to disk and use the encrypted key for local symmetric encryption. Option C, save the encrypted data key to disk and use the plaintext key to encrypt the document by invoking the KMS encrypt API. Option D, save the plaintext data key to disk and use the encrypted key to encrypt the document by invoking the KMS encrypt API. This question evaluates your knowledge of secure key management and the limitations of AWS KMS API calls. It explores the proper sequence of operations for encrypting larger data objects, specifically focusing on how to utilize GenerateDataKey versus the standard encrypt API while maintaining security best practices for key storage. In my view, the correct answer is option A. When using AWS KMS to encrypt data larger than the 4 kilobyte limit allowed by the standard encrypt API, the GenerateDataKey API is the correct choice. This API returns a plaintext key for immediate local symmetric encryption and an encrypted version of that key, known as the ciphertext blob. You should use the plaintext key to encrypt your file in memory and then store only the encrypted ciphertext blob alongside the file on disk. Options B and D are incorrect because saving a plaintext data key to disk creates a major security vulnerability. Options C and D are also incorrect because the KMS encrypt API is not designed for files of this size and requires the data itself to be sent to KMS. As an exam tip, remember that KMS is intended for managing keys, not for encrypting large data sets directly. Always offload bulk encryption to local processes using the keys provided by KMS.